Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 16 Linear Inequations Exercise 16B Question 4. It is solve the following inequations and show the solutions on a number line. First, the inequation is what? See, we have x plus 2 greater than 7. First, we will solve this. I will get rid of plus 2 by adding minus 2 here. Greater than 7 minus 2 again. So we have what? Plus 2 minus 2 will cancel. X is greater than and 7 minus 2, that is what? 5. So x is greater than 5. This we have solved. Now it is saying mark the solutions on the number line. What it has given is in the system of integers and real numbers. That means first we have to mark when value of x is integer. Second, we have to mark when value of x is a real number. See, first we are going to mark for the integers. Okay, see, x is greater than 5, so I'll begin here. Right, see, we're going to have, let's begin from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can extend this, you have to extend it, 6, 7, 8. Let's keep it till here. Right, now don't put these dashes here, just make these lines on this, right? 6, 7, 8. And I told you before also that when we are marking for integers, what I will do is I will put the dots, right? One dot will be on 6, another dot on 7, another dot on 8. You can extend this arrow right here, dot dot dot, right? So that is indicating what? That your number line, this is consisting of integers. Okay, these dot dot dot, these indicate that this can go further. We have 9, 10, 11, 12 and endless integers. So that is your what? First number line. Now second is in the system of real numbers. Again, let's begin from your let's begin from minus 3. Let me make this little straight, right? So we're gonna begin here, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And your 7, 8 and so on. Now this is a bit different. When you are marking for real numbers, what you're going to do is, for first of all, it is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means you will put an open circle at 5 like this. Okay, this is a little big, but you're going to make it small. Okay, and don't fill it, right? After that, you're going to darken the area that is there after 5 for the numbers that are greater than 5. You will also darken this arrow, don't forget to do that, right? Here it's not coming a little bit proper, but you're going to just darken this thing so that you can see there's a clear difference between this part of the number line, this part of the number line. This is thicker. This is indicating that value of x is greater than 5. And this open circle here, it is indicating what? That your 5 is not included. That means greater than 5, it means value of x cannot be 5 but only greater than that. Don't make the dots here, it's not required, right? Just that much is fine. Let's move on to the next part. Now you can see we have got here y plus 3 greater than minus 4. Again, solve this, get rid of this plus 3. So we're going to have y plus 3 minus 3 is greater than minus 4 minus 3. Cancel plus 3 minus 3. So y is greater than minus 4 minus 3 will give you minus 7. Y is value having a value greater than minus 7. So numbers greater than minus 7 are your minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, so 4 and so on. Now see, what it is saying is that mark this on your number line also. First, it is given integers less than minus 2. See, for part A, what our number line will become? I'll begin from here. We're going to start from, let's just begin from minus 8 here. Now, it is greater than your minus 7. And whenever we are marking integers, see, it cannot be minus 7 because it is greater than your what? Minus 7. So we will leave this. Now comes the numbers that will be the value of y, and it is also an integer less than minus 2. Which integers are less than minus 2? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. these are less than minus 2. Beyond minus 6 we cannot go. Why? Because value of x is greater than minus 7. So we will stay till minus 6 only. And first dot I will make at my minus 6. Second dot I will make at minus 5. Third dot I will make on minus 4. And your fourth one on minus 3. Another dot on your minus 2. No, not on minus 2. It's not needed. Now we can continue this thing for a little while. We're going to have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, right, and so on. So you can see that I have marked here. This one is on minus 3 and all these dots we have marked. Now of the B one, see the part B, this is real numbers. Same thing, x is greater than minus 7. See, here we're going to make this number line. Okay, see, I'll begin here from minus 8 again, right? So first will be on minus 8, right? And now second hole that I will make, that will be on minus 7, right? So we're going to have here, we're going to have minus 7. Open circle, because we don't want a shaded circle. Why? Because it is greater than. If it was greater than or equal to, then we would have made a shaded circle, but we don't need that. So on minus 7, this open circle, rest of this part, the part here that comes to right of minus 7 will be greater than minus 7. So we will shade it completely, right? See, we're gonna have this way. So over here you can see I have shaded this part. This part has to be thicker than this part. On the board it might not be visible very clearly, but you can see that this thing, it is going to be thicker than the part that is to the left of minus 7. Keep this in mind. If both of these are of equal thickness, then that will become wrong. So this is your number line. Let's move on to the next part. Now next one we have what? 13 minus y less than 9. So we're going to subtract minus 13 plus 13 minus y. Okay, minus y is less than 9 minus 13. So what you will see is minus 13 plus 13 cancel. Here we have minus y is less than 9 minus 13, that will become minus 4. Minus y is less than minus 4. I have to get rid of minus signs. Okay, so what I will do, I will multiply minus y by minus 1. Okay, and this one, remember, when you're multiplying it by any negative number, the inequality sign will change, and minus 4 into minus 1. So we have y is greater than 4. That is your first solution. Now first mark the number line. A is prime numbers less than 20. So we have to mark the prime numbers that are less than 20. Again, when you have to mark specific things, you will put the dots only, right? So prime numbers that are less than 20 and greater than 4, this also we have to follow. So we'll begin. See, right, I'll begin from your 0, 1. Now see, we have to mark what prime numbers less than 20, prime numbers that are less than 20. Okay, and since y is greater than 4, so to keep it simple, I have taken from 4 only. You can take it beyond also, it might be needed. Now 4 greater than 4. See all the prime numbers here, all the prime numbers. It's very easy. Now 4 is not a prime number, 5 is a prime number, so you put a dot over 5 like this. 6 is not a prime number, 7 is a prime number, so again put a dot on 7. Same thing on 11 also. Then also same thing on your 13, because 13 is also prime. 14 is not prime, 15 is also not prime, 16 also is not prime. Your 17, this is prime, right? 18 is not prime, 19 is prime, right? So put that there. And 20 we are not taking it only, right? So you can see I have made dots 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17 and 19. All these numbers are prime numbers less than 20 and according to the solution greater than 4. Now B is what? Real numbers. So real numbers means y of value of y has to be greater than your real numbers. See, greater than 4. So we have minus 1, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, I have made an open circle on 4 like this, greater than 4. So open circle on 4, and then the rest of the part is shaded, right? This part again has to be thicker than this part, keep that in mind. So this is your number line. Let us move on to the next part. You can see here we have got over here what 4 minus 5n is less than equal to 10 minus 8n. So 4 minus 5n and then plus 5n is less than equal to 10 minus 8n plus 5n. Plus 5n I am adding to get rid of this minus 5. Whenever two n's are there, get rid of the smaller n. So you're going to have minus 5n plus 5n cancel. 4 is less than equal to 10 minus 3n. So now plus 10 and plus 4 are there. So I'll do here 4 and minus 4 is less than, and sorry, not 4 minus 4, I'll do here 4 minus 10 is less than 10 minus 3 and minus 10. 10 cancel. 4 minus 10 becomes minus 6 is less than minus 3n. So what we'll do now? See, minus 6 minus 3n. So what I'll do here, minus 6 I will divide by minus 3 and sign will change. So we have minus 3n upon minus 3. So cancel, this will be 2, this cancel. So your 2 is greater than or equal to n, right? Therefore n is less than or equal to 2. So your sign will again change when you are moving the terms from this side to this side, this side to this side. Now n is less than or equal to 2, and first we are going to make for non-negative integers. This will become what over here? See, non-negative integers means the integers that are positive, of course, and also what? 0. So we're going to start, we have minus 1, we have 0, okay, then 1, 2, then 3. Let's leave these spaces, 4, 5 and so on. Why am I leaving these spaces? Because I will put the dots over here. It is less than or equal to 2. So first of all we can take 2 only because it is equal to 2. Then less than 2, so we will have what? 1. Then again we can take 0, right? After 0 we cannot take because it is going to give a negative number. We need non-negatives. So now B is your integers. For integers, very simple, same number line you will draw. We have minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now again put this on your 1, this circle on your 2, then this same circle on your 1 also, then the same circle on 0 also, and the same circle on 1. Now to indicate this will go further on, you will put here dots. So this means that this can go further on also. Then we have in C, what have we got? Real numbers, right? C. Here we have to mark what? Real numbers. So in real numbers, what you see, less than or equal to is there. First of all, see, we're gonna have here, I'll begin with minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your less than or equal to is there. That means what? I'll put a shaded circle here. I'll put a shaded circle on 2 because it means less than or equal to 2. Rest of this part I'll shade. I will shade it to make it look thicker, right? Like this. You will shade this and also the arrow, right? Don't forget the arrow. Like this you can do so that this part appears thicker than this part, and that is your answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.